Hi children, good morning. This is Mrs. Cecilia, your English ma'am. Welcome back to our English class children. Children, have you done the homework? Did you read the lesson children? Are you ready with your SB book? Let us do the exercise given after the lesson. So all of you take your SB book. Open page number 36. Have you opened page 36 children? Now all of you look at the top corner of right side. You have a dotted circle and a dotted box given over there. This word you need to know and learn. Now I am repeating the word given in the box. You repeat after me children. Disappear. Disappear. The meaning of disappear is to vanish. Repeat children. To vanish or go away suddenly. Go away suddenly. What is the meaning of disappear children? To vanish or go away suddenly. Now let us do the section A in read column. Now I am reading the heading children. Choose the correct answer. Now I am reading the first question. Each question has 3 options A, B, C. Near every option there is a small yellow box. So if the option is right, you need to tick the small yellow box near that option. Is it clear children? You have to tick only the right answer. All of you put the finger near the first one. It is Rani's dash at school. I repeat again. It is Rani's dash at school. Now I am reading the options given below. A. Last day. B. First day. C. Annual day. What is the right option children? Good. It's B. So all of you tick B. Option B. Small yellow box given in option B. Okay children. Are you done children? Now I am reading the second one. Rani tells mummy to dash her hand. I repeat again. Rani tells mummy to dash her hand. Now I am reading the options. A. Let go of. B. Hold. C. Touch. What is the right option children? Yes, it's A. Let go of. So all of you tick the small yellow box which is given in option A. Have you done children? Now I am reading the third one. Rani sees children come by bus, by car, by rickshaw and on bicycles. Some come to school dash. I repeat again. Rani sees children come by bus, by car, by rickshaw and on bicycles. Some come to school dash. Now I am reading the options given below. A. By aeroplane. B. Walking. C. By truck. What is the right option children? Yes, it's B. Walking. So all of you tick the small box which is given in the option B. Did you finish children? Now I am reading the fourth one. Inside the gate, Rani sees dash all around her. Inside the gate, Rani sees dash all around her. Now I am reading the options given below. A. Trees. B. New faces. C. Classrooms. Which is the right option, children? Yes, it's B. New faces. So all of you take the small box which is given in option B. Have you done, children? Now I am reading the fifth one. Rani smiles back at dash. Rani smiles back at dash. Now I am reading the options given below. A. Mummy. B. The children. C. The teacher. Which is the right option, children? Yes, you are right. It's a C. So all of you take the small box which is given near option C. Have you done, children? Very good. We have completed section A. Now all of you see section B. Answer these questions. You are given 4 questions. So just say the answer now. Later I will send the question and answers. You need to write them in your notebook. You have given notebooks for each subject, children. So you have to maintain one notebook for English, and whichever question and answers I will send, you should write them in the notebook. Okay, children? Now I am reading the first question. How do the children come to school? Some children come by bus, by car, by rickshaw, on cycle, and some come by walking. Now I am reading the second question. Why do you think Rani asks Mummy to let go of her hand? Because she feels like a big girl now. That's why Rani asks Mummy to let go of her hand. Now I am reading the third question. What happens at the gate? Mummy lets go of Rani's hand at the gate. Now I am reading the fourth question. How did you feel on your first day at school? Tell the class about it. Start with when I first came to this class. This year you didn't come to school, so whichever classes experience you remember, ask your parents to help you. Take their help and write this answer. Children, can you see a yellow box given here, children? Yes. Did you know a group of fish is also called a school? Did you know this, children? Children, this is the picture of group of fish. We must call it as school. Isn't it funny, children? Let us open page 33 and learn some spellings. Children, look this page. I have underlined some words. You too should underline, and you must repeat these spellings after me. Now I am repeating Rani spelling. All of you put your finger near Rani. If you have pencil, you underline and put the pencil near Rani. Repeat after me, children. R-A-N-I, Rani. R-A-N-I, Rani. R-A-N-I, Rani. Now the next word. It is first. All of you underline F-I-R-S-T, first. And put the finger near first. Repeat, children. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Now the next word. All of you underline school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school spelling. put the finger near school, children. SCHOOL, school. SCHOOL, school. SCHOOL, school. Now the third line. You have to underline mummy. MUMMY, mummy. Repeat, children. MUMMY, mummy. MUMMY, mummy. Next one is holding. Underline holding, children. HOLDING, holding. HOLDING, holding. HOLDING, holding. Now the next word, walking. Underline WALKING. Repeat, children. WALKING, walking. WALKING, walking. WALKING, walking. Now all of you underline grown up. GROWN, grown. UP, up. Now put the finger near grown up, children. Repeat after me. GROWN, grown. UP, up. Grown up. GROWN, grown. UP, up. Grown up. GROWN, grown. UP, up. Grown up. Now the next word in next line. You have to underline tight. TIGHT, tight. TIGHT, tight. TIGHT, tight. Now the next word. You have to underline bus. BUS, bus. Put the finger near the bus, children. BUS, bus. BUS, bus. Next, car. Underline car, children. CAR, car. CAR, car. CAR, car. Now the next word is rickshaw. All of you underline RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. Underline the next word, CYCLE, cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Repeat, children. CYCLE, cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Now the next word. Underline WALK, walk. Repeat, children. WALK, walk. WALK, walk. WALK, walk. Now it's time for homework. Learn the spellings of underlined words from page 33 in SB book. Till now you have repeated all these words, children. So learn all the spellings of page 33, children. Okay? Stay home, stay safe. See you tomorrow. Bye.